There's an undeniable elegance in a classic car. The purr of the engine, the sun-kissed chrome. It's more than just metal and gears. It's a timeless legacy on wheels. And just like these vintage beauties, heritage wear, especially a fine leather jacket, becomes an extension of that legacy. Forget flimsy fast fashion. This isn't just a jacket, it's an Aero Leathers, built with the same meticulous attention to detail as these classic cars. This jacket isn't just a garment. It's a shared passion for heritage, quality, and things that stand the test of time. Each crease, each scuff, they tell a story. It's an heirloom in the making, waiting to be passed down, carrying the character of your journey in the patina of the leather. It's not just an extension of your personality, it's a shared passion for heritage, quality, and things that stand the test of time. So today we're not just unboxing a jacket, we're exploring the craftsmanship of Aero Leathers and discovering why it's a great choice out of the sea of options. It's a jacket that reflects your confidence, elevates your presence, and becomes more than just clothing. Hey guys, this is Ryan here, unboxing another jacket from Aero Leathers. This was a custom order, not one of their off the rack ones. This took let's just unbox it. I'm too nervous. I'm always nervous just because you never know if they are going to do the size incorrect. Looks pretty. Looks nice. Smells like Badalassi. I hope it fits. So nervous. Alright, so I tried the jacket on, and compared to what I'm used to, it feels tight and restrictive, but I think it's just because the jacket has to form to me. I think they did a pretty good job on the fit. What do you guys think? It's definitely more restrictive than my other jackets. But I honestly think that they got the fit pretty damn good. When I first tried it on, I was like, oh my god, it's too small. But I think it's perfect. I had Julie do it. Julie Lecht. I don't know if I'm saying her name right. But I've heard a lot of good things about her. So I asked for her. This is it zipped up. Unzipped. My first Aero leather jacket. This is the lining I chose. I'm pretty impressed. I think they did a really nice job. It's on par with my Shangri-La jacket. It's very similar. They use the same leather, Badalassi, but that's an Olmo. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But so, this is the jacket from Aero Leathers. My first leather jacket from them. And this is my first unboxing from them. You can see it. It's already getting some creases. That's why I love Badalassi. It's like so prone to just developing the most beautiful patina. But so this is the chestnut color from Aero Leathers, and this is the Highwayman, the Premier, in the Badalassi leather. It's really nice. It smells incredible. The liner's really soft. Let's try it on. The first time I tried it on, it was really stiff. That last time, it's much better. You can definitely tell gonna have to mold to my body. But I'm very happy. I like it a lot. It's comfortable. I recommend you ask for Julie, but they're all very good. I hear, is it like a Morgan? I think she's good too. They did a really nice job. I'm happy with it. It's a beautiful jacket. Smells absolutely incredible. I will go over the thread and stitch work with you. I'll show you in more detail. I asked for the same color thread because I'm OCD. I cannot stand when I see something wrong. And when it's the same color thread, it's very unlikely that you'll see it if it's wrong, if there's an error or something. Took about 4 months, 5 months to get. I think it fits. It's definitely tighter than I'm used to, but I think it's just because it's like, do you hear that? Very squeaky leather. But if I showed you my Shangri-La jacket, it made the same sound and it's much quieter now. So it just has to break in a little. I haven't even looked in the pocket. There's something in the pocket. Looks like my order information. This is the Chestnut Badalassi Aero Leathers jacket. Custom made to my measurements. It actually is breaking in and feeling a lot better just every time I move. As we explore the craftsmanship of Aero Leathers, their commitment to customization stands out. Unlike most jacket brands, Aero Leathers doesn't just offer off-the-rack sizes, they tailor the fit. They offer a canvas for personalization from the leather and liner to the thread and more. The fusion of quality and fit places Aero Leathers in my top 10 favorite leather jacket brands. The substantial leather and craftsmanship position them among the industry's best. While perfection may be an ambitious goal, their work outshines even renowned brands like Shot NYC. When investing in a high-quality leather jacket, cutting corners simply isn't an option. Aero Leathers delivers a product that proudly stands among the best, securing its place as one of my top choices. Forget cookie-cutter leather. Aero Leathers rejects the assembly line approach. Each jacket is crafted by a single artisan, transforming raw hides into unique, wearable legends. No mass-produced jackets here, just bespoke pieces for those who desire a jacket as distinct as their fingerprint. Investing in a leather jacket isn't about cutting costs, it's about investing in your story, a canvas for your adventures. Aero Leathers makes a product that makes a timeless companion, a jacket that will narrate your tale and journey. Hey guys, this is my Aero leather jacket. After a couple months of wear, I just thought I'd add this to the video because the first time I unboxed it, I was wearing Viore. I had just got home from work and I was excited. I wanted to open the package. But it looks a lot better with the correct clothes. It's a sick jacket. I really like it. I would definitely recommend Aero Leathers if you're considering a higher end jacket. Buy it for life jacket. The hardware is really nice. I chose brass hardware. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm pretty happy with it. Chestnut Badalassi. And just gotta wear it a little bit and it'll get quieter. But you can hear it's pretty squeaky. But overall, I'm very happy with it. It's a beautiful jacket. I get compliments when I wear it out. I think they got the fit correct. And the quality's really nice. Let me know what you guys think. It's pretty snug compared to my other jackets, but I definitely wouldn't be able to get anything underneath it besides a t-shirt. Because it's pretty snug. But it's not uncomfortable. But it's definitely a little bit more restrictive than my other jackets. Really have no complaints. The pockets are lined with, looks like a moleskin. It's nice and warm for your hand. But you can see there's like a lot of beautiful creasing already. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. If you have any comments, please don't hesitate to comment. And I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribe. It helps my channel out. It helps me get the motivation to actually want to keep making videos. So if you guys have it in you, hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Until next time, I'll see ya. Like that gleaming classic car in your driveway, this jacket is an ode to heritage. It's an investment in quality, a lifelong partner in building your own legend. With every crease, each mark narrates your own unique journey. Don't just wear this jacket, truly own it. An heirloom in the making, meant to be passed down through generations. Thanks for your support. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for the upcoming video where I'll delve into comparing some of the top brands side by side. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.